Hey guys, how y'all doing? Semi-Ernie here. I was scratching, a matter of fact, a couple of these jumbo bugs here. I had nothing up top here, but anyway, there's my numbers. I got down and I hit a 55. That was for 50 bucks. And I just kept scratching and I hit a 44 for 50 bucks. And I'm like, sweet. And all of a sudden, I hit that stack of cash. Instant $300, so that's 400 bucks, right? No, that's a jumbo for $500. This is my first claimer, everybody. First claimer of 2023. $1,000, everybody. Hot diggity dog, that's a 500, that's 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, 1,000, baby. Yeah! $1,000. Oh my gosh. Got the jumbo for 500. Got the stack of cash for 300. Got 45 and 65 there. You see them right there. 45 and 65 for 100. And I got 55 and 44. Oh my gosh. My first claimer ever. It's been 3 years. It's been 3 years and I did it in Tennessee. Oh yeah, see, barcode's not been scratched. And it's on ticket number 8, Judy. I said my Judy, ticket number 8. Oh, and I still got one left here. Still got one left here. Hot diggity dog, man. Here we go. We need a $50 burst. How about a $100 burst? $500 burst. 1,000 maybe? No. All right, winning numbers. We need a winning numbers, so your numbers, or get a 5, 10, 50, or 100 times to multiply your prize. All right, 18, 57, 34, 78, 41, 24, 30, 40, 61, and 32. 25, 53, 74, 72, 28, 76, 64, 75, 46, 56, 63, 33, 14 backwards, 79, got a 78, 27, no, 47, 43, 69, oh, 80, 54, not yet, 44, 48, come on, give me something, 37, 21, 31, no, 41 to 61, 65, no, 67, oh, 62, one off, 77, 23, come on, ticket, let's scoot it up, love on, no, 55, no, 52, no, 26, 12, 38, 13, 42, 68, and last but least 17. That's a loser, but that's okay. There's the winning ticket right there. $1,000. Nice. Jumbo for 500. Stack of cash for 300. 44 and 55 for 900. 45 and 65 for 1,000. Daggone right. Awesome, Ernie. Awesome. Bot time. Yes. All right, everyone. See you on the next scratch. This Semi-Ernie and the Rough Riders. We'll see you.